Upgrading your bar, cafe, restaurant, or large-scale party venue with high-capacity frozen beverage production without dealing with slow batch blenders or inconsistent texture usually means transitioning to a commercial multi-tank slushy machine. The VEVOR Commercial Slushie Machine 15LX3 Triple Tank Edition redefines high-volume frozen drink service by combining massive liquid storage capacity, independent multi-cylinder control, and heavy-duty cooling performance into a professional-grade countertop station. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its advanced high-efficiency compressor refrigeration architecture paired with triple 15-liter food-grade polycarbonate tanks. Instead of struggling with underpowered home-grade ice shavers that melt quickly or limit you to a single flavor at a time, this system houses 3 independent refrigeration circuits capable of producing up to 180 cups of frozen treats per batch, keeping margaritas, slushies, iced coffees, and smoothies perfectly chilled and texturally uniform. Performance and everyday versatility streamline busy commercial service across vibrant hospitality environments. Powered by a robust, premium compressor featuring rapid cooling copper condensers, the machine lets you operate each of the 3 tanks independently, allowing you to run different recipes, temperatures, or turn off individual cylinders during slower operating hours. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by smart digital control panels with precise temperature readouts, an automatic cleaning mode that makes sanitation hassle-free, thickened stainless steel exterior panels for effortless wipe-downs, and drip trays with spill prevention spouts to maintain a clean serving counter. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a massive triple-tank commercial appliance capable of holding 45 liters, nearly 12 gallons, of liquid total, it carries a very heavy physical footprint and substantial operational weight when filled, requiring a reinforced countertop and dedicated heavy-duty electrical circuit. Additionally, you will need to ensure your beverage mix contains adequate sugar or alcohol content, as pure water or zero sugar substitutes can freeze solid and potentially damage the auger blades. So who is this really for? This multi-tank commercial frozen drink maker is an absolute home run for bar owners, restaurant managers, cafe operators, and event caterers who need to serve multiple high-volume frozen cocktail or slushy options simultaneously with professional reliability. If you are looking for a small, single-serving kitchen blender for a home protein shake or an occasional weekend family gathering, a standard countertop blender will vastly better suit your daily needs. Is it worth the money? If you value an expansive 45L triple tank capacity, independent cylinder controls, an automated self-cleaning cycle, a massive 180-cup output, and robust commercial-grade cooling performance, it is a premier, profit-driving investment for high-demand frozen beverage operations.